Hello, in this video we are going to create a new PM work order. As we did for creating new service type, you click there to open the menu. You click create new PM work order. To your left here is all your existing PMs that we have made. Currently we only have 2. Now if I wanted to clone this machine 17, 120 days, I can just add that to there. Anything I want to add, I can add here. As long as it's here, it can be added to the main form. So I'm going to add that to the PM list just to show you. And you can also do that here. And anything you do here, we'll go over in the other list for future use. Those are single use items. The existing PM lists, if you want to just copy what's on one PM and save it to a new one, we'll say machine 20, 120 days, and that's what we'll do here in a minute. So we're going to add a new item to the PM sheet. Let's see, it can't be a duplicate or it won't show up. Well, you see check filter and check filters, but they are different. Let's just say, I don't know, we're just going to add material to hopper. Wouldn't normally do that on a PM, but just to prove that it works. Add material to hopper, add it to the PM sheet. See, it's now over here. You can use that at a later time. Okay, so we said here it's 120 days. That's what we're duplicating. It's going to have its own work order number, 75. And we said we were going to put it under machine 20. And we're going to call it the same thing just so we know what we're talking about. Mach 20 or machine 20 dash 120 days. This way, if you're looking for a 120-day PM, and if you're looking for machine 20, you can just look up that name. So before we save that, let's look at the list a little bit. If I wanted to take this 120 and move it down, I check it and I can move it down. I can check it, move it up, or I can remove it altogether if I don't want it there. Okay, so real quick, this is a copy of your PM. You can see there's no PM there, so we're going to save it as a new PM list. As you can see, it's now made. Just made a work order. Just put it down there with all of your items that are here. So it's now saved. You can email this work order by clicking this button. Who do you want to send it to? This is from the employees list, or if you wanted to send it to your home address or somebody special in the shop, you can do a manual. Okay, close after email sent. That's pretty self-explanatory. Here you can see your PM that's going to be sent. We're not going to email it because there's no such thing as ralphsmith@mycompany.com. So for now, we're just going to cancel. But if that was correct, I could just email that work order to whoever I wanted. So from here, I'm going to click cancel. This work order is done. Let's say monthly machine 10 changed. You can click that monthly machine 10, hit the edit the list, and you can add or subtract anything you want to the new list. You can simply select it, move it up, move it down, remove it, and then save the changes. We're not going to do that here. You can actually do this and save it as a new PM list. That's another way of duplicating. You can delete the selected list, which will delete the whole list. We don't want to do that. Save any edits to lists. Or the important thing here is going back to your new work orders once you're done. And you come right back to this screen. You can print the work order. Right now we don't have a printer hooked up. It tells you the printer is not online. And once everything is saved, you can just close it and you'll have that new PM ready for use immediately. So at this point, we're going to close the work order. We're not closing the work order, we're closing the screen. And that'll do it for this short video on how to create a new PM work order. It's really pretty simple once you're showing how to do it. A little complicated until you learn, but for the most part, this whole software was designed to be user-friendly and kind of simple. Thanks, and have